Well, guys, I got a problem. So remember that cake that my dog was going to share with her friend Chico? Well, now the neighbors want to bring their dogs over. They have 2 dogs, so now I need 4 pieces of cake. I don't think that's going to work. I think I'm going to need to make another cake. So, today we will partition a figure into 4 equal parts and describe the parts using words. How will we do this? We will partition shapes into 4 equal parts. Why? It is important to be able to divide a shape into equal parts. Let's go. Remember our vocabulary words. Halves. Say halves. Halves means there are 2 equal parts. Equal. Say equal. Equal means the same. Here are some things that are not equal. And partition. Say partition. This means to split or separate. Our new word today is fourths. Say fourths. That is a hard word to say. Fourths. Fourths. Fourths means there are 4 equal parts. Each piece is the same size. How many pieces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 pieces, and all 4 are the same size. So here's my friend Sadie and her friend Chico. Now they have to share their cake 4 different ways. Let's see how we can do that. All right, so I made a whole brand new cake. And now I'm going to need to partition it into 4 equal parts called fourths. Let's see if this will work. Is this fourths? Yes or no? Why isn't it fourths? I've got 4 parts. There's 1 for one dog, 1 for another dog, 1 for one dog, and another dog. There's 4 parts. Are they all going to get the same size piece? No, they are not. If the pieces are not the same size, it's not going to be fair, right? And that's not fourths. Is this partitioned into 4 equal pieces? Yes, these pieces are all the same size. How many pieces are there? 4. 4 equal size pieces is called fourths. What about this way? What if I cut it this way? Is it still 4 equal pieces? Yes, it sure is. Now you are going to practice partitioning shapes into 4 equal parts. So you have a circle to partition into 4 equal parts, a square, a rectangle, and a rhombus. Partition the shapes into 4 equal parts using the pen tool and turn it into your teacher. Then I forgot to tell you this. Yesterday I was so excited about making another cake and the party, and it was just crazy. But here is a book called Give Me Half for you to listen to the read aloud. And then today I added this video, Fractions, that does talk about fourths. Then you have Extra Math and iStation Math. What did we learn today? We learned that fourths is how many equal parts? 4. Hold up 4 fingers. Let me see your 4 fingers. Woo, 4. 4 equal parts is called fourths. And that's all for today. Have a good day, boys and girls. Bye.